In this video, we're going to give you a brief overview of many of the features that you get within Funnel 360 and an overview of the system. The first thing we're going to do is sign into our account. And from here, you'll be brought to your dashboard, which gives you a few analytics such as visits and clicks within the last 30 days, your sales and your revenue. You can also see your recent funnels and visits versus clicks per month right over here. The dashboard is a quick and easy way to get an idea of how your funnels are performing, as well as being able to come in and quickly choose a funnel and edit it. But let's get started on how to build a funnel. To start, you just need to come over here and click on the Build Funnel option. You'll be able to choose from ready-made templates, or you can build your funnel from scratch. I'm going to go ahead and choose the pre-done using our templates, and you'll see that we have 4 options available for building that funnel. You can use a list building funnel, a sales funnel, a product launch funnel, or a marketplace funnel. I'm going to go ahead and choose the list building one, and I'm going to give it a name up here. Once you've named it, you can come down here and just click on the Create Funnel button to get started. As you can see, this particular funnel has 2 different steps. If you want to add an additional step, you simply need to click on the Add New Step button, give it a title, and choose the step type from the drop-down menu. Once you're done, you can click on the Add button, and you'll see that that additional step has been added to your funnel. If you want to remove it, simply click on the X button. You'll be asked to confirm, and the item will be removed. To begin building the funnel, we're going to click on the Add New Page option and click on Create with Builder. Once you're inside the builder, you can begin building your funnel by dragging any of our blocks onto the canvas. So if we come over here to the left, you'll see all of the ready-made blocks that we have for you. There are several to choose from, and drag it over onto the canvas. Once you've chosen the template, you can come in and edit any of the text that you wish to edit simply by clicking on it and typing in any information you want it to say. If you want to edit more of the text, such as the font or the color, you can click inside and select the color, the size, and a background color if you choose. Once you've made the changes, simply click on the Apply Changes button to see them take effect. If you want to add another section to your page builder, simply come back over here to the left, choose the type of template you'd like to add to your funnel, click and drag it over to the builder, and it'll appear beneath your initial block. Again, these are easily edited by clicking in the box and choosing the color, the font size, a background color if you wish, and the font family. Again, you'll need to click on the Apply Changes button to see those changes take effect. Once you're ready, you can choose to save. Once you've saved it, you can either go back to the funnel, preview the page that you've just created, or continue editing it. So this is what our page now looks like on the preview. And if I wanted to continue to edit the page, I would simply need to click that option here, and I would be able to come back and begin editing as I need to. You can also choose to check the responsiveness by clicking on any of the responsive buttons here. And this will show you what your page will look like on any of these devices. We have a mobile device, a tablet, as well as a desktop. To get back to your funnel, simply click on the Back to Funnel option here. We have the ability to add A/B or variation split testing by clicking here. You can either clone your first page and just edit some of the details from there, or you can create a totally different page using the builder and following the same steps that we used to create the first page. You can click on the pencil to title your page name. You can use the pencil to go back in and edit it, or you can use the preview button to preview what the page is going to look like for your customers. Next, you have the option to add your funnel into the marketplace. So click on the Marketplace tab, give your funnel a title and a description. If you want, you can use tags. You can select a category. If you want to charge for it, simply enter in the price. Or if you want to make it free, you can just untick the box here. In order to charge for your product, you're going to want to make sure that you've already integrated a PayPal account so that you have the ability to choose your PayPal account from the drop-down menu. But if you haven't yet, you can link a new account by clicking down here. When you're ready, you can click Add this funnel to the marketplace, and you can also upload images to your product as well. When you're ready, click on the Submit button. The next tab you'll find is Contacts. You can choose from any of the integrations that we have here, or you can select any list that you've already integrated. You can also create a new one here, and this will give you your customer name, the email, and the date that they joined. At any time, you can export your list of customers. Over here in the settings, you can rename your funnel. You can add a subdomain to your funnel. You can also link your own domain using CNAME here. Once you've done that, go ahead and click on Submit, but we'll go over how to do that in more detail in another video. If you have any retargeting scripts, you can also add those here. And once you do, make sure that you click on the Save Scripts. Those are all the steps you need to know about creating your first funnel. If you want to see what you have available in the marketplace, simply click on the marketplace link right here. If you want to have a look at all of the funnels you've created, you can click on My Funnels here. This will let you know how many visits and clicks that particular funnel has received, how many steps are in that funnel, and whether or not it's been added to the marketplace. You also have the date you created it, and then you have several action options here. So we can preview our funnel, we can edit our funnel, we can delete the funnel, we can get the link for our funnel, we can duplicate it, or we can share it on Facebook, Twitter, Google+, or Pinterest social media. If you have any purchases, you'll be able to view that by simply clicking on the My Purchases option here. Now I also want to go over a couple of really cool additions that we have, which is the Video Maker. To create a video, simply click on New Video. You can enter text by clicking on the plus button. We have text 1, 2, and 3. Simply click inside of it and add the text that you wish to have on your video. You can choose the font. Again, you can choose the font size. You can choose animation. You can change the color. And you can choose the background color for the text. If you want to edit the background color of the slide itself, you can come over here to Images. You can either choose to upload a background from a file, or you can simply choose a color from the drop-down menu here. You can also choose to upload an image to add to the video, and move it around anywhere you'd like on the template. If you wish to use music, again, you can upload it from your own files, or you can choose one of the options we have from the library. To add another slide to the video, simply click on the plus button down here. Go back into Edit. You can add your text anywhere you'd like. Again, change the font, change the size, the color of the font, the color of the background. And when you're ready, you can click on the Export Video option down here at the bottom right. That'll bring you back to the Video Maker dashboard, where you can preview the video that you just created. If you want to edit it, you can simply click on the little edit pencil here. You can scroll down and change the time for each slide. And once you're done with your changes, click on the Export Video button again. You You also have the option to delete any of the videos here in your Video Maker dashboard. If you'd like to create a graphic, you can do so by clicking on the graphic editor link above. You can add the image URL if you have your image hosted somewhere. You can upload it from your computer. You can start from scratch by creating a new one. Or you can use our sample image found here. As you can see to the left, we have some basic editing options. You can crop the image, rotate it, resize it, round out the corners, and change the background color of your canvas. We also have many different icons that you can choose from to add to your graphic. So in this case, if I wanted to use arrows to point my customer to my call to action, I would just click on the arrow option, choose the one that I like, and click on it to add it to my graphic. You can resize these and put them anywhere you'd like on the image. I can come back over here, choose a button, and add it to my graphic as well. Again, resizing so that it fits properly. You can add your own text and choose your font. Simply click on your brush and draw on your image. You can choose a filter, and you can add shapes. Once you're finished creating your graphic, you can click on the Save button, make sure you give your image a name, and click on Save down here. All graphics that you create will be found in your gallery over here. Once you start sharing your funnel pages with your customers, you'll be able to view your analytics over here by clicking on the Analytics button. You also have two menus on the top right. You can check out market earnings, your domains, your integrations, and any help. And if you click on the profile picture icon, you can see your domains, your account settings, you can get to integrations, you can reach out to support, or you can view the video tutorials. We hope you enjoy using Funnel 360